Good afternoon, all. We'll start for the day. Sangeeta, ma'am, good afternoon. I hope my voice is audible.
Good afternoon, ma'am. You are audible, ma'am.
Yeah, you can start the session.
Okay, okay. So, good afternoon, all. Okay, we will start the session. So, let me share the PPT now. Fine. Okay. So, today is the second day of FDP. And today topic is Gen AI and ChatGPT applications in industry. Let us see this slide one by one. So, in session objectives are understand prompt engineering, identify different types of prompts, write effective prompts, use AI for communication task, generate professional AI outputs. So let us see first what is prompt. A prompt is it is an instruction, it is a command or a question given to AI. So we can say, see, what is prompt? So in ChatGPT, we are typing whatever we require as per the situation. We are typing so many prompts. So you are requesting or you are typing to find the leave letter or any question bank or lesson bank or lesson plan, whatever it is. So whatever request you are keeping in the chat GPT, that is known as prompt. So you should know to give the effective prompt. So here, what is the definition? A prompt is an instruction or a command, a question given to AI. Okay. Or else you can say prompt is the language used to communicate with AI. Okay. It is very simple definition. I'm sorry. One second. One second. I'll share it again. Okay, fine. So a simple definition is a prompt is a language used to communicate with AI. So whenever we ask ChatGPT something, we are giving a prompt, clear prompts. So generate better clear prompts generate better AI responses. Okay, simple analogy. Just like humans, AI also need a clear communication. Okay, see here a real life analogy. This is considered as a weak instruction. So we are just giving the instruction like bring food. So what is the problem in that? Bring food. So the problems. So what problems? Can you guess it? Can you guess it? Can you give it in the chat box? I've given one week instruction here. Just I have given like bring food. That's it. So I'm telling there is a problem in this prompt. Can you guess it? What may it is? Can you give it in the chat box? Your answers? Okay, Madhavi. Okay, no specific mention about food. No specifically what food. Dr. Krishna Leela. Okay, no proper meaning in that. Okay, sentence is insufficient. Very good. So it is a weak prompt. So what are all the problem will be there? Okay, we see what problem it may there. Okay, the first one. Okay, which food? Okay, so we have food for animal, we have food for fish, we have food for birds. So the first question is which food? Okay. Second, what is the second problem? Quantity. Okay, you are buying a food, it is for one member or two member or 10 member. So we are not telling the quantity of the food. Okay. And it is asking for veg or non-veg. It is asking for veg or non-veg. Okay. So these are all the problems. I share this entire screen once again. Okay. Okay. So these we considered as no problem. Which food, quantity, veg or non-veg. So let me try this in the chat GPT. Just go here. You can go to Google Gemini or you can go to chat GPT or Perplexity. Whatever AI tool you are comfortable with, you can use that. Okay. I go to the chat GPT. I give the command like bring food. All of you can parallelly work on it. So see here it is telling what kind of food you like. It is asking for so many questions. Cuisine like South Indian or Chinese or etc. Veg or non-veg. You want a food like snack or full meal, and it is asking what is the budget. So what delivery apps or a nearby place. So it is telling that I can help you choose or find places near you. So this is a weak command. Okay, so we have mentioned the problems here. Let us see what is a clear command. So I it is a request for you. So how could I give the clear command for this? Any suggestions? You can give it in the chat box. How can I convert this weak command into good command? Can you try? Can you give your prompt in the chat box? So the session will be so funny. Okay. Get two idlis with sambar. Okay. Okay. What about others? Krishna Leela ma'am have given the reply. Anybody? Okay. Bring two veg pizzas from Domino's at 7 p.m. for meeting. Great. Okay. Vikramaditya Kumar. Anybody? Just try it. So just try it. Okay. Order chicken biryani from the best nearby restaurant and deliver it to my home. Good. So bring me a plate of food to my room. Okay. I want to order veg biryani, such as best restaurants. Okay. Madhavi. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. So let's see what is the thing here. Okay. Bring one veg pizza with extra cheese. Shall we try this uh, in the chat GPT? bring one veg pizza with extra cheese. See here, it is asking from where. Okay, it is giving so many suggestions. So see here. So popular choices. So you can quickly order. So it is giving a lot of suggestions with extra cheese from Swiggy, Zomato. Okay, suggested order like medium veg pizza or extra cheese topping. So it is giving so many suggestions. Okay, fine. So now we can understand this is a weak instruction. It is somewhat like clear instruction what we have given in the top. So okay, fine. Let us see components of a good prompt. Okay, components of a good prompt. Let us see that. Okay, the first component to give a good prompt, we have four components. Let us see it one by one. The first one is clear instruction. Tell the AI exactly what you want. You want to give the prompt with clear instruction. Okay, exactly what you want, you need to give it as a prompt. For example, see here, create 5 interview questions for Python beginners. Create 5 interview questions for Python beginners. Can you try this? Can you try this? Try this prompt. Okay. Create 5 interview questions for Python beginners. Yeah. Can you see the results? So it has generated the 5 interview questions. What is Python? What is the difference between list and tuple? So similarly, it has. So my clear instruction is, see, what is the first thing? Clear instruction. So what is the instruction? That tell AI exactly what you want. So I want 5 interview questions for Python beginners. So it has generated. My instruction is clear. So without, there is no confusions, nothing like that. So after giving the clear instructions, clear prompt, it has automatically generated the 5 interview questions of Python. Okay. Okay, fine. So now we are trying for components of good prompt. For a good prompt, the first to give a good prompt, we need a clear instruction. The first one is. Second is context. Context means we need to provide a background information. Okay. So background information. See here, you are telling, see who you are. Okay, you are a trainer teaching first year college students. Okay, so here you are giving your background information. Okay, you are a trainer teaching first year college students, so here you are giving a background informations. Okay, so second idea is context, giving a background information. And third is output format. How you need the output, you need to specify a format. You want it in, you want in a table, or you want in a list, or you want in bullet points, you want like PPT, or you want like PDF. So you need to tell the format very clearly. How you want, you are requesting something to the AI. So how you need the response. So you are going to specify the format here. Can you give any example prompt in the chat box? Can you give any example prompt in the chat box? Can you try it? Can you give any example prompt in the chat box? So for this output format, you need to specify the format here. Okay, I'll show here. Give the answers in table format. Okay, may I try this? Okay, I try this. I just, because already I have given the questions here. So give the answers in table format. Okay, let me try it. See here. Can you see here? So I asked for 5 interview questions of Python. Okay. So it is, and what is the second thing I have asked? Give the answers in the table format. So it has generated. So this is my first question, and here the answer is here. So this is my second question, the answer is here. A third question, the answer is here. So similarly, so my answers are displayed in the table format. Okay. So that is about output format. And the last, constraints. So mention the limits if needed. Okay. You're going to mention the limits if needed. See here. I want example is explain in simple English within 100 words. Okay. Explain in simple English within 100 words. Shall we try this? Explain in simple English within 100 words. The same thing, actually, the same thing, it is reframed. Already it has given the answers, but it is explaining in very simple English. So it is very easy for the uh, student or anyone to understand this, what it is exactly. We can understand it very easily. So it has explained everything using the simple English. Fine. So that's all about this. How to give a good prompt. Okay, so this is a topic. How to give a good prompt. So you need the 4 components. So first one is clear instruction. Second is context. Context means it provides a background information. And third is specify the output format. Okay. And fourth is constraints. Mention limits if needed. Okay. So you need to follow these 4 things to give a good prompt. Okay. Let's see for the next one. This is going to be very interesting. Types of prompting. Okay. Types of prompting. Let's see it one by one. Okay. You see here. So simply we are prompting. We don't know actually. We have 14 types in that. Okay. Let me read it one by one. The first one, zero shot prompting or simple prompting it is. Next second is one shot prompting. Third is few shot prompting. Fourth is role based prompting. Fifth one is context based prompting. And sixth one is instructional prompting. And seventh is step by step prompting. Eighth is output prompting. And ninth is creative prompting. And 10th is tone based prompting. And 11th is constraint prompting. 12th is comparative prompting. 13 is Socratic prompting, and 14 is iterative prompting. So let us see. We don't know how many types are there. So now this will be very, very interesting. We have 14 types of prompting. So let us see one by one with example. I request all of you to open the AI tool like Perplexity or Google Gemini or ChatGPT, whichever you are comfortable. Just open any AI tool. Side by side, I will display the prompt so you can also work it out parallelly. Okay, the first prompt what we are going to see is zero shot prompting. Okay, zero shot prompting. Okay, the AI answers without examples. If you are asking something, it is going to just define what it is. Without example, it is going to define it. Let us see the example. Explain cloud computing. Okay, explain cloud computing. Just try this prompt. Are you doing it? Are you doing it? Okay, let's put explain cloud computing. It is so advanced now. It is giving with examples, advantages, types, everything. Okay, try this prompt. You are getting, or you can try with explain machine learning, explain AI. You are getting it. Let me open the Google Gemini. Let's see here. Okay. So in Google Gemini, you can see here. So it is giving very clear picture. So it is explained about cloud computing, how it works. So what are all the free services are available, and what are all the deployment models? Everything it has displayed here. Okay, so I tried in ChatGPT, I tried in Google Gemini. If you want, we can go with Perplexity also. Perplexity AI. We put the same command here. Okay, fine. It has done the same. Good. Have you all tried this? Have you all done this? Okay. So you understand about this zero shot prompting. Okay, fine. So let us see what is the use of it. Okay. So use of it is very quick and simple task. Okay. It is very quick and simple task. Okay. So next type is one shot prompting. Okay. It provides one example. Let us see. Okay, here what is the example they have given? It is saying that apple, example is apple is a fruit. And now identify, I'm saying to identify what carrot is. Carrot is a vegetable or fruit or what it is. Let me try it. We first try with ChatGPT. I say apple is a fruit. Okay. Okay. It is also accepting. Okay. Yes, apple is a fruit. Okay. Now I'm telling to identify. Now identify carrot. Okay. It is replying. Very good, right? So carrot is a vegetable. Okay. It is like one shot prompting. Can you try this? Can you try this? Dr. Batma, yes, it's a part of spectrum, zero shot, one shot. Zero shot should not have no example, no example, one shot have one example, few shot have multiple examples. Exactly. Okay. Have you all tried? Try this. Is it working? It's very simple. Okay, okay, fine. Many of them are doing and giving the reply. Good. Okay, next we will move to, so let's see the use of it. It helps AI understand the pattern. Okay, I have given the first, I given one example first. Example is apple is a fruit. Now I am telling to identify what the carrot is. So the AI is understanding the pattern because one example I gave, apple is a fruit. So next I am telling to find out what is carrot. So it is understanding the pattern from the example what I gave. Okay. And next, so this here I have given two examples. Okay. So one is, see here, first see what is few short prompting. Providing multiple examples before asking the question. Okay. So now we need to see, this is a question I'm going to ask. So before asking the question, I need to provide multiple examples. So here I'm providing for three examples. So what are all the example I'm giving? So I'm saying dog is an animal. Okay. Rose is a flower. Okay. Mango is a fruit. Now I'm telling to identify what the carrot is. Okay. Can you try this? Try this. Just try and tell me what answer it is giving. Let me also try it. Dog. Okay. Now I'm asking to find okay line. I'm asking what is line. Okay. It is saying lion is an animal. Okay. So you can check it because I have given the multiple prompt. I said dog is an animal, rose is a flower, mango is a fruit, and I'm asking what is lion. Okay. It is saying that it is an animal. Okay. You can ask for, you can check it. So it is saying a grapes is a fruit. So it is giving the correct answer. Have you tried? Is it working? And the first example who are completed, you can try for the second example also. I have given two examples as or there. You can try this. You can try the second example also. Very good, Dr. N.S. Batma. Very good, ma'am. Okay, many of them have tried. Working. Okay, can you try for the second example? Here I have given Python is a programming language, HTML is a markup language, SQL is a database language, and try to find what is Java. Can you do it? And tell me whether it is working or not. Output you should get like programming language. Try this. So this is the examples of few short prompting. Try for the second example. You are trying. Very good. You people are very amazing, trying with the different examples. Okay, so you are getting, okay, fine, good. So you are getting it as a programming language. So you understand about the few short prompting. So till now we have seen for I mean three types. First one is zero shot prompting, and one shot prompting is completed, and few short prompting is also completed. Okay. So first three are completed. So this one is completed, this one is completed, and this one is completed. Okay, let's see the fourth one. Fourth one is role based prompting. So from this you can understand role based, assigning a role to the AI, act as a teacher, act as a HR manager, or I'm a trainer. So you're giving your designation, you're giving your role. Okay, see here, you're a communication trainer, teach interview skills to students. Okay, can you try one example like this? Can you try the example like this? You can try this example as well as give me in the chat box what example you tried differently for this. Okay, act as a cyber security expert and explain phishing attacks. Very good, great. Okay, and you are an IT project manager in a software development company. Create a detailed project plan for developing a mobile banking application, including timelines, team roles, milestones, risk, and resource allocation. Excellent, excellent, Dr. Padmavat. Excellent, ma'am. Okay. Krishna Leela. Act as a teacher. and teach structure of a cell to students. Okay, great, great, ma'am. So this is role based. Any other examples? Okay. You are a course coordinator, design course module for Python programming course. Great. You are understanding superbly. Okay. Okay. Fine. Any other prompt? Make the session interactive. If you tried with any other prompt, you can give it here. So you are clear with this, right? You are clear with the role-based prompting. Okay, fine. So how it is useful? Okay. So use of this is it generates expert style responses. Okay. So I hope you are clear in this role-based prompting. Let me just go for next. So next one is context-based prompting. So we already know about it. If it is context-based, you are going to giving the background information before the task. Okay. So before the task, you are going to give the background information. Okay. So here I am conducting a workshop for first year student. So this is the background information and this is the task. Create simple aptitude questions is a task. Okay. And before the task, your background informations are here. Conducting a workshop for first year students. So this is the background information. Create a simple aptitude questions. Try this prompt. Try this. Try this prompt. Okay, I got the answer from Batma. Understanding the importance of task is understanding the importance of English for UG students. Good, ma'am. Okay. You can also go with the same prompt, what I have displayed in the slide. You can also try that. It's done. Okay. You're getting? Yes. So anybody have tried with different prompt? Can share your prompt in the chat GPT. Sorry. Can share your prompt in the chat box. Okay. I'm conducting poster presentation. Create rules and regulation. Very good, ma'am. Sri Devi, ma'am. It's really great. Okay. Okay. MCQ pattern for Python programming course instructions. Okay. So any other prompts? So fine. So sorry. So we are going for the next type. So this provides relevant and customized outputs. Okay, so I hope you are clear in this. So we are moving to the next prompt. So next is a instructional prompting. Okay, it gives very clear and direct instructions. Okay, instructional prompting means giving clear and direct instructions. Let's see the prompt. So, okay, you are giving see here, very direct instructions. Create 10 MCQs on Python loops with answers. So it is very clear and very direct instructions. Create 10 MCQs on Python loops with answers. Try this, try this, and just post your answers in the chat box. I am conducting IoT workshop for third year students. Create simple PPT. Great, sir. Balram. Very good, sir. So next, try for this instructional prompt. Very good. So I got the answer from Padmavat. So I asked for MCQ questions with answers. So MCQ questions are generated with answers. Okay, fine, fine. So I am getting so many responses. Okay, we move to the next one. We move to the next one. So this so the use of this instructional prompting produces focused responses. Okay, very focused responses because we are giving a clear and direct instructions. Let go for the next step by step prompting. Okay, so asking AI to explain step by step. Okay, for example, solve this math problem step by step, or create the dashboard using Power BI step by step. So anything you can ask the chat GPT to do it step by step. So I want you to just give any mathematical problem, like you can attach the image file to the chat GPT and type this prompt. Okay, or else you can try it with your own. Okay, just try it and show me the results in the chat box. Just give what a reply you're getting, just put it in the chat box. So this is step by step prompting. Try this. Anybody have tried? Tried and got it. Krishna Leela ma'am. Okay, fine. Others? Simply you can attach any mathematical problem, or put any questions. Type any questions of mathematical problem and then you just type this, like ask the chat GPT to explain step by step. So very good. So step by step procedure of binomial distribution. Sri Leela ma'am. Very good ma'am. Nice. Okay, step by step it has explained. Very good, very good. Okay, so next, provide step by step procedure for solving first order differential calculation. Great, ma'am. Okay, and step by step solution. Okay, for output example. Okay, open the chat GPT app, try the full exercise. Sorry. Okay, trigonometry. Okay, you're trying very differently. Great. Happy to see all your prompts and answers. Okay, great. Provide step-by-step procedure for executing C program on code blocks. Great, ma'am. Okay, great. You're doing so good. Okay, fine. So next, we will go for the next prompt. Output prompt. Okay, fine. So before that, you have completed for 6 types of prompting. Okay, let me show this. See here, you completed for zero shot prompting and one shot prompting, few shot prompting, role based, context based, instruction prompting, step by step prompting. So I hope you understand the difference of each type. Okay. I hope you understand the difference of each type. Is it clear? Up to this, is it clear? Can you give your reply in your chat box? You completed for 7 types of prompting. Up to this, you are clear? Great. You have no doubts, right? Any doubts up to this? It's clear. Okay, okay, fine. So first 7 prompts we have completed. Okay, so we try for the next 7 prompts. Totally we have for. Thank you. You're teaching in very easy and interactive way. Thank you. Thank you so much, Batmavat sir. Thank you. Okay, fine. So we will see for the next 7 prompts, 7 types of prompts. So eighth one is output format prompting. Okay. Okay. Output format prompting. Okay. So here, so this you will understand. See, you're asking something to the AI and it is going to respond. In what format you want? You want in PPT format? You want in table format? Or you want in PDF format? Or you want in like bullet points or as the list? How you want? So that is the meaning of it. So you want the response in the specified format. So what format you want? So you can get it in that format. So give the answers in the table format. So which is so you can try this with your own example. I mean with your own prompt. So this prompt I have already worked. Give the answers in the table format. I already showed this prompt. I want you to give the different prompt for this example. Try it. Once you completed, just share your prompt here. Okay. Importance of English. Okay. Yes. Very good, Padmavat sir. Padmavat ma'am. I saw your PPT. Whatever you shared, it is good and great. So now this will be very easy for you for developing your PPTs for your class. Everything is going to be very easy. Comparison between DC and AC motors in table format. Very good, Madhavi ma'am. Okay. Give the comparison of front end development and back end development in table format. Great. Okay. Okay. Please prepare the teaching plan of subject. Okay. You can download this as a document. You can download this as a document. Okay. Types of computer memory. Characteristics, examples, disadvantages. Okay. So you can also try this to download as a PDF or to download as a Word document. You can try this. It will work. Still working? Okay. Give the difference between public and private company in table format. Great. Last week weather summary. Andhra Pradesh. Good. A different try it is. Okay. You people are rocking in prompt, giving prompt. Great. Give Python programming books, include author name, publisher, and year in PDF format. You got it, Dr. Ganesh? You got this? Is the prompt is working for you? Okay. Okay. Create a diet plan for a week for weight loss. Great. Fine. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Give me the references and research paper, title, year, journal. Good. Good. Different approach. You are doing so great. Okay, fine. So now you're understanding this eighth type of prompting, and the main use of it is creates a organized output. That is the main use of it. It creates the organized output. Okay, fine. Let us see the next prompting. It is creative prompting. This is used for imaginative and artistic content. Creative. So, from the word, what do you understand? It is creative, used for imaginative and artistic content. Let us see the example of it. Write a short poem about future technology. Okay, it is a creative, like poetry, like poem. Try this prompt. Try this prompt. Try this prompt. Okay. Write a short poem about future technology. You got it. Okay, fine. Okay, the future humans. Very good. Okay. Have you tried, anyone tried with different prompt regarding this creative prompting? Have you tried with any different prompts? Can share it here. Okay. I'm getting different answers. Write a poem on creative future technology. Admin. Okay. The symphony of future technology. Okay. Fine. Good. Great. Very nice. Padmavat, ma'am, you got the image. Very nice. Very nice to see. Write a short film story about family. Great. And I got it. Good, Krishna Leela, ma'am. Poetry of periodic table. Great. Write short poem on fake news. Okay. Jai Hanuman. Okay. Great. Write a short poem about 6G next generation technology. Great. Different idea. Okay. Write a short poem about teaching academics. Great. Create Python code for online food ordering system. Okay. Future education. Great. Are you enjoying the session? Are you enjoying the session? Okay. So many of them are giving the S. Am I not boring, right? Am I not boring? Okay. Thank you. Thank you for huge replies. Thank you. Okay, fine. So you are very creative. You are very creative. You are engaging. Thank you. Thank you, Sunil Kumar sir. Okay, fine. You are very creative. I can see the different answers here, different prompts here. I showed only one prompt as an example, but in the chat box I could get more prompts. Really very great. Fine. The next C we see for okay, fine. This creative prompting used for storytelling, poetry, scripts, and creative content. Okay. It is used for storytelling, poetry, scripts, and creative content. Okay, fine. We jump to the next one. Tone based prompting. What is tone? So, so tone I will teach you separately, but we know about tone, right? If I'm speaking, so you are conveying something to the student very angrily or very encouragingly or forcefully. So we have different tones at speaking. Okay. So this type of prompting is tone based prompting. Okay, specifying the writing style or emotion. Let's see here. See here, here this is the thing. Friendly tone or professional tone, okay, or funny tone or angry tone, whatever it is. Write a workshop invitation in a friendly tone or professional tone, whatever it is. Try this prompt, and also I expect all of you to try a different prompt also. Once you try it, share that in the chat box. Okay, write a FDP invitation in a formal way by Mohini ma'am. Good ma'am. Okay. Here is a friendly workshop invitation you can use. Okay, great. So now, so here onwards, it is very going to be very easy for all the lecturers to create a quick invitation for workshop or seminar or guest lectures. Even you can create the posters without using Canva. In the chat GPT itself, you can create the posters by giving all the information very correctly. You can do it. Let's see who is going to try that and all for the tomorrow's class. Needed is you need to give the proper prompts. You can create the marriage invitation using the chat GPT by giving all the informations. Only thing is you need to give the content, bride name, bridegroom name, and their parents' name, which hall it is going to happen, which date it is going to happen, what time it is, and the hall address, location, everything. If you are giving all the detail properly, you can generate the invitation. Using the chat GPT, you can create the beautiful invitation. Are you trying it? Teacher, student, professional tone. Jayalakshmi, ma'am. Create invitation for chemistry quiz competition. Okay. Good, great. Is it working perfectly? You're getting it? Can you able to download the invitation? You have to say the size of the invitation, like you need it in A4 sheet format. Like that, if you say the size of it, it will give you the invitation. You can download. You can you download that invitation and then share it to my chat box as the image format, like JPG format. Just download and share it to me. You're trying it? Yes. Few of them are very good, excellent. Shambhavi, ma'am. How you did this, ma'am? Through ChatGPT or Canva? Shambhavi, ma'am. Uh, Using simple, you can use for ChatGPT and then you can create the invitation. And Rohan Fernandez. May I know using which tool you have developed this, Shambhavi, ma'am? Okay, Rohan Fernandez sir has used ChatGPT and gave the relevant information, and he got this invitation. Very nice. I'll Everybody can see the others text. Everybody can see that. Can see the invitation of others. Okay. Even though I share for that invitation. Uh, okay. This is the invitation created by Shambhavi ma'am. And one more invitation was created by Fernandez sir. One second. This is another invitation. So now these two were created at this session. Fernandez sir has created this invitation, and Shambhavi ma'am have created this invitation. Really, I'm feeling great because everyone are just participating. Everybody, see, Shambhavi ma'am has also used the chat GPT. You can simply use the chat GPT and give the information whatever is needed. And see here, this is visible. And who has created this? Once again. Okay, okay. Dr. Lakshmi ma'am have created this poster. Very good, ma'am. Excellent, excellent work. Simply, you need to give all the information. It will also, even your with the help of the chat GPT, you can create everything. Great. Sri Devi ma'am have created one birthday card. Great, ma'am. How you did this, ma'am? Sri Devi ma'am? Sorry, Sri Devi. Yeah, Sri Devi ma'am. How you did this, ma'am? What tool you have used? Chat GPT. Very great. Okay. You are learning a lot today. Is it interesting today? Okay. So, Satyanarayana, sir. Great, sir. He has created the a marriage invitation. I think it is a, yeah, it is like a marriage invitation. Okay. How is the session today? So you can give your comments in this link. You can give your comment in this link if you have time. Okay. This is my LinkedIn account. So you can give your whatever comments you want to give. You can give this comment in this LinkedIn account. I'm giving the link in the chat box, so okay, you can give it here. So kindly give the comment in the LinkedIn comment. Okay, fine. So next we move on to the next thing. Okay. Okay. Next, constraint prompting. Constraint prompting means adding limits or restrictions. Like, so this is the limit or restriction. See here, explain cloud computing in 50 words. I'm telling some limitation. I'm giving some limitation in 50 words. So try this. So you can give your comment in this LinkedIn account. So I'm giving this link here. So you can give your comment here. So try this. So this is the comment, constraint prompting. Try this. Once again, I'll display the screen now. Yeah. Try this one. Okay. Rasad. Okay. I don't know to pronounce your name, but it is very good and great. You can give the comments here through this link. Okay. Have you all working with that? Have you all working with this? Okay, you got it. Krishna Leela ma'am have completed. Okay. So you completed the constraint prompting. So you all working on it, right? Okay. So shall we? Okay. So the use of constraint prompting is keeps responses concise and focused. Okay. So next we are going to try with comparative prompting. See here, asking AI to compare the concepts. Here I'm asking to compare the difference between machine learning and deep learning. I'm comparing it. Try this. Understanding the use of this is understanding the differences very clearly. Try this prompt. Try this prompt. So, okay, can we compare three or more using comparing? Yeah, you can do it. Okay, give comparison between feelings and emotions. Okay, great. Okay, okay, fine. Good and great. Okay, comparison between nationalism and patriotism. Great. Okay, you are getting the answers. Okay, fine. Shall we move on to the next type? Okay, fine. Okay, so next one is Socratic prompting. So using questioning techniques for deeper thinking. Okay, let's see the example of it. See here. So this is using the questioning techniques. See here. Here the question is why AI is important in education. Give reasons with examples. So this type, like you are questioning, you are having the questioning techniques, you are using the questioning techniques for deeper thinking. So those types of prompting is called Socratic prompting. Try this. So use of the Socratic prompting are used for critical thinking and discussions. For critical thinking and discussions. So try this. Just give your comments in the LinkedIn accounts. So try this. Is AI replace the humans? If yes, justify your answers. Great, great, very good question, ma. Mohini, ma. Really good, super. Okay. Really, you people are doing so great. You're rocking. Really, I'm enjoying the session because professors or even the students are not obeying the instruction, but I got very good students. I'm asking for each and every slide. I'm interacting with you. You are giving very good interaction in this session. I feel very happy for it. Thank you. Thank you for everything. The interaction is great in this session. Why women are paid less for the same work? Give me two reasons. Very, very good, ma'am. Excellent. Creative thinking also sparking here. We are obedient students. Great, ma'am. Krishna Leela, ma'am. Okay. Shall we? Shall we go to the next prompt? Okay. In present crisis of war in Iran, how India is going to get affected? Great. Different prompting. You're making ChatGPT to think more and more. How might increasing carbon dioxide in the atmosphere affects the Earth's temperature? Great. I'm seeing different prompts. I have given only one example, but you people are giving so many examples for each and every slide. Great thinking. Okay, okay. We can just move on to the next slide. Okay, fine. Iterative prompting. So you understand this word very clearly. So improving prompts repeatedly for better output. Okay, improving prompts repeatedly for better output. Let us see how it is. First, I'm giving the prompt like write about AI. Okay, AI is responding to the request, but I'm not satisfied in that. So this is my first prompt. Now I am improving the prompt. What I'm telling is write a 150 word beginner friendly introduction to AI with examples. So this is my first prompt. So this is not meeting my expectations up to the level. So I'm improving my prompt. So I'm giving the clear prompt here. So iterative prompt is your request is only one thing, but step by step you are improving the prompt. So that is known as iterative prompt, but your focus is on only one thing. Okay, so try this. Just try it. Try for this iterative prompting. Try for this iterative prompting. Is it working? If you tried with different example, you can share it here. Okay, write about Shakespeare poem. Write about Shakespeare rhyming style of. Okay, good, great. Okay. Write a 150 word user friendly information about cybersecurity with example. Dr. Vandana. Thank you, ma'am. Good, great. Right. Okay, write about the proposed methodology and write the proposal methodology having the dataset framework evaluation. Great, ma'am. Okay, Mohini, ma'am. Okay, fine. Have you tried this? Manjula, ma'am. Okay. Write about mother. Okay. 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 Write about Internet of Things. Okay. Write about parenting by giving real world examples. Okay. Great, great. So you all getting this, right? You understand this. Okay. Let's go for this is the last prompt. So we have totally 17 prompts. So we have completed all types of prompting. So once again, I just keep so any doubts on this? Any doubts? We completed all. So we saw for 14 types of prompting. 14 types of prompting. So we have the quick recap, zero shot prompting. So AI answers without examples. Okay. Quick and simple task. Okay. And second is one shot prompting. It provides one example. Like you at least you need to give one example, then you ask to identify the ask the AI to understand the pattern. Okay. And third is few shot prompting, providing multiple examples before asking the question. Okay. Okay, fine. So this prompt will improve the accuracy and consistency. And fourth is role based prompting. Here you are going to tell your designation. What is the role here? Okay, then you are telling the task, assign the task for the AI. Okay, so example is you are a communication trainer, teach interview skills to the students. So this type of role based prompting used to generate expert style responses. So fifth one is context based prompting. So giving background information before the task. So this type of prompting you provides relevant and customized outputs. So you are providing the background information. Okay. So in instruction prompting. So it gives clear and direct information. Sorry, direct instructions. For example, create 10 MCQs on Python loops with answers. So it is used to produce focused responses. Okay. And seventh is step by step prompting, asking AI to explain step by step. Okay. So this is useful for learning and logical reasoning. So eighth one is output format prompting. So specifying the response format. So so in which format you want, like you will get the organized results. Okay, you can get it in table format, PDF, PPT, image, whatever format you require. You request the AI will provide for that. Ninth is creative prompting, used for imaginative and artistic content. Okay, so write a short poem about future technology. Okay, used for storytelling, poetry, scripts, and creative content. So the last one is the 10th one is tone based prompting. So this will control your communication style. Write a workshop invitation in a friendly tone. Okay. 11th one is constraint prompting, adding limits or restrictions. So explain cloud computing in 50 words, keeps responses concise and focused. It is used to keep response concise and focused. And 12th is comparative prompting, asking AI to compare concepts. Example, compare machine learning and deep learning, understanding. The main use of comparative prompting is understanding differences very clearly. Okay. And 13 is Socratic prompting. It is used, it have for the questioning techniques for deeper thinking. Okay. So this is useful for critical thinking and discussions. The example for this is, why is AI important in education? Give reasons with examples. And 14th one is iterative prompting. Here you will give for the basic prompt, and then you are improving the prompt in the next. For example, see here, the first prompt is write about AI. The improved prompt is write a 150 word beginner friendly introduction to AI with examples. Use refines AI responses. Okay. So up to this, you are clear. You're clear about all the types. Now you're clear with all the 14 types. Step by step is like iterative prompting. Step by step. Okay, what is the difference between step by step prompting and iterative prompting? Okay. Step by step prompting means it is a chain of thought. Wait a minute. I'll show you with the example, then you can understand. So this one. So this is the, see, solve some mathematical problem by step by step. You are asking for only one thing. Your goal is one. You are requesting for only one thing, like, but like an algorithm, you are asking for the algorithm. You are asking the AI to explain step by step. See, if you are giving some problem, AI will give you the result immediately, but it won't be step by step. If you're not understanding that, you can ask the AI to give step by step explanation. So that is known as step by step prompting. But iterative prompting is, first you are giving one prompt, AI is responding to that prompt, but you are not satisfied with that response, but you are adjusting your prompt. Still you are asking, you are making the AI to understand better. So you want to convey what you are actually expecting for. So you are improving the prompt by using the correct words in that, because the resulted one is not satisfied for you. So you are changing your prompt. Only your focus is one till what is your expected output you get. You're trying the prompt different way to get your expected output. So that is known as iterative prompting. You find the difference now? Is it clear? Asima, your doubts are clear? So you can give your comments in my LinkedIn account. So this is my LinkedIn account, so you can give your comments here. Leave your feedback in the comments box. Okay. Do you have any doubt in the today's session? You are clear? You are clear with that? You have created the posters, you created the invitations, uh, you generated happy birthday card using the ChatGPT. Really, it was so nice. Okay. So last few more minutes are there. Can you create uh, the same? What is the program which is happening now? What is the topic? Gen AI and ChatGPT application. Can all of you try it? Create the poster for Gen AI and ChatGPT applications. Uh, FDP program conducted by XLR. Uh, can you try this? Trainer name is Sangeeta Mahalingam. So give this prompt and generate the poster and share it in the ChatGPT. Sorry, you can use the ChatGPT tool or Google Gemini, anything. Try this prompt about the session what we are going through for this 5 days. Just create the poster for generative AI and ChatGPT application using ChatGPT or Google Gemini. Just create the poster. The required informations are only this topic and trainer name conducted by XLR. You can mention the date also from 11 to 15. Just give the prompt and generate the poster and share it in the chat box. Try it. Let's see who is going to try it. So this is a task for you. Just do this. Uh, Rohan Fernandez. Sir, can you, whether your post, you have generated in the poster, sir, can you download and display it here? Like JPG format, anything? You can do the iterative prompting also. Suppose if you missed any information, you can add it. Like you can add the anything like trainer name or your name, you are participating in the session, anything. You can add anything extra information also you can add it. So that type of prompting is known as iterative prompting. Just try it. Great. Shambhavi ma'am have completed. Really great. Shambhavi ma'am, have you did this? Which tool you have used? So see the thing which was generated by Shambhavi ma'am. Very good, ma'am. What tool you have used, ma'am? Okay. Okay, Dr. Vandana ma'am is also, is it visible? You can use any AI tool like Google Gemini, ChatGPT, anything you can use it. Okay. Srikala, ma'am. Very good, ma'am. It is really, your poster is very good. Let me display that. Okay. Srikala, ma'am, have generated this. Really great, ma'am. Great. Shambhavi, ma'am, have used ChatGPT to generate this. Okay. Okay. Once again, I'll unsee this. So very excellent, ma'am. Excellent, ma'am. And Asima have created this. And so many I could see for many. Padmavat sir has also created. Rohan Fernandez sir also created. I could see for many. Lakshmi ma'am have created. Okay. Thank you, sir. Really so good. Wait a minute. I want to share everybody's because all are doing so great. Avinash sir also created. Let me display everyone's here. Ravi Kumar sir has also generated. Let me show it one by one. Okay. I share for entire screen. Okay. So here, okay, Sangeeta Mahalingam. So they added my name also. It is Sangeeta Mahalingam. Okay, fine. Great, ma'am. Great. And the next one, next poster, or really, really so good. You're doing so great things. Now you're excel in this chat GPT. Okay. Very nice posters. Very nice posters. Really, I'm feeling very, very happy to handle this session. You're doing so great. And also, still, I'm getting. So, you can leave your valuable comments in my LinkedIn comment box. So, I have given the link here. Okay. Kaveri ma'am. Okay, fine. Great, ma'am. It was done so nicely. Very nice, very nice. 5 days workshop on Chain and ChatGPT applications. So I think here onwards your work will be so simple. If your college is asking to create the poster, you will generate it in a seconds. Just it is a matter of seconds. So you can do it. Yes, yes. Oh, yeah, true. So kindly give your feedback here in this account. Okay, fine. So Ravi Kumar sir. Okay, superb. See, very colorful, bold. Very nice, very nice. Really, I'm very, very happy to see all your results. And one more, great, really superb. So you can leave your comment in this link. Really superb. Really, really so good. Is the today's classes interesting? Have you learned? You are satisfied? So now you are very good in ChatGPT, like so in prompting. So you learn for so many things. Very much satisfied. Okay. So kindly leave your comments in this link, in the below link what I have given. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. So one more, Satya Narayana. Let me display. I think the screen is visible to all. Is it so? Fine. Okay, fine. Really superb. Nice. Fine. Thank you. Thank you. Even you did very well. All your poster creations are so good. Really happy to see all your posts, all your work. If you have any doubts, any query, you can ask me here. Ask me now. Okay, fine. You don't have any queries today. Okay, fine. So try to join for the remaining classes without fail. Okay, so daily without fail join in the session so you can learn a lot of things. And you try for all the prompts, whatever you have seen for today, work it out in all the prompts. Sushmita ma'am,
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
See, I kept it here only.
shall we wind up ma'am?
Yeah, yes, I'm sure.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, thank you.